You okay? You look a little worried.
I am scared. Plane is so big.
Yes, it's like a metal bird, but I like big planes.
Really? I feel my stomach funny.
Same. Airplane food, not helping.
My English, not good. I hope people understand.
Don't worry, just short sentences. They will understand.
Short is good. My brain tired from school.
Yes, travel brain, tired.
What is most fun in New York?
Many things. Tall buildings, Central Park, yellow taxis.
Yellow taxis? Really?
Yes, every street, taxi, taxi, taxi.
Wow, so many.
And people, always in hurry, run, talk, coffee in hand.
People run for coffee?
Sometimes for coffee, sometimes nothing, just run.
Funny. I want see that.
Don't worry about airport. Short answers, simple English works.
Short answers I can do.
And smiles help too. People like smiles.
I hope I don't get lost.
Lost? Then adventure. Map, signs, or follow the smell of food.
Ha! Smell map. I like.
Okay, now relax. Look outside. Clouds like ice cream.
Hungry now.
Oops, bad timing for ice cream talk.
Hello. Passport, please.
Here you go.
Purpose of your trip?
I live here. Travel before. Now back.
How long outside the U.S.?
2 weeks.
Where do you live?
Queens, 24th Street, Astoria.
Traveling with anyone?
Yes, my friend, Sujin, from South Korea.
What is her reason for travel?
Student, first time in U.S.
Did you bring food or gifts?
Small gifts, clothes, not many.
Okay. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Passport, please.
Yes, here.
First time in U.S.?
Yes, first time.
Purpose.
Study. NYU.
How long?
4 years. School.
Where stay?
Dorm. Student dorm.
Bringing food or gifts?
Only cookies. Small gifts. 3 friends.
Okay, that's fine.
I am nervous.
Normal. Big city.
Yes, very big.
Someone travel with you?
Yes, friend Emma. She already finished.
Good. Welcome to New York.
Thank you. Very happy.
Hello. Bag? What inside?
Clothes and small gifts.
Clothes for yourself?
Yes, mostly. Gifts also, small.
Gifts? How many?
3 friends, not much.
Any food?
Only cookies.
Cookies only?
Yes, small.
Liquids?
Small water bottle. I can drink now, okay?
Pour it. Done?
Yes, done.
Did you pack yourself?
Yes, myself.
Did someone ask you to bring anything?
No, only small gifts.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. Sorry for problem.
Rules are rules. Welcome to New York.
Thank you, finally.
Hello. Bag, please.
Here.
Packed yourself?
Yes, myself.
Any food?
Cookies, small.
Liquids?
No.
Clothes?
Yes, mostly.
Gifts?
Yes, 3 friends, small. I am nervous.
Normal. Big airport. Many people.
Yes, very big.
Welcome to New York.
Thank you. Very happy. Hi, everyone. We arrive New York. Very big city. Airport's scary, little, but short answers work. Bags, check. Cookies, check. Gifts, check. Big airport. Take deep breath. Officer ask questions. Simple English enough. Friend Soo Jin, first time. Short answers okay. Some questions serious, some smile. Depends. Small problem with water bottle solved fast. Now you tell me, what would you do if airport questions confuse you? Write answer in comments. And subscribe English Coffee Time. More stories, more English, little every day. See you in next video.